Hi folks, Dmitry Bonner here, and today I will show you how to make complaint to your lender and other parties involved in a PPP loan forgiveness process. Unfortunately, due to unprecedented sabotage from case service and Cabbage, I wasn't able to get PPP loan forgiveness for my loan that I received in May 2020. After 3 applications, hundreds of hours on a phone calls, hundreds of emails, they still playing this game. We will call you, we are still fixing this problem. So I'm done. I'm pissed off with the Cabbage case servicing and I'm ready to sue them. Hi guys, here we go. This is my letters. There are 9 letters to different recipients who can help me with the loan forgiveness that I received from Cabbage. I mean the loan that I received from Cabbage, and since December 2020 I cannot get forgiveness from them, no reply, no help. And I have letters to Senator John Cornyn, to Office of Inspector General, SBA, U.S. Department of Financial Institutions who can control them, to the CEO of Cabbage Case Servicing, Lakeisha Milner. I hope she knows what is going on in her company. To the Honorable Pete Sessions, it's House of Representatives, to Commissioner Department of Banking and Finance in Atlanta, Georgia, to Senator Ted Cruz, who represents Texas, and to Israel Celia, Senator from Texas as well. I know that many people, many businesses in US have the same problems with the Cabbage case servicing, with Womply, maybe with other PPP lenders. So in this video I will show you how to draft complaint to your lender and other parties, how to send our letter to SBA Office Inspector General, to senators and other people or organizations who can help you to get PPP loan forgiveness. First of all, you can do it without your lawyer. And the second reason why I'm doing this video, to save your money. So if you want to say thank you, just click the like button, share this video with your friends, or maybe if you want, just support me on Patreon. Okay, first of all, that's how you can draft this letter. Feel free to ask any questions or put any comments below. In the top part, in the header of this letter, I highly recommend to put date, where you are sending, who is the addressee of this letter. For example, in this case, it's a customer Bancorp, from your name, full address, company name, position, phone. Then there should be a topic of this letter. In my case, it's a Cabbage case servicing sabotage of PPP loan forgiveness process. And every time in every new letter, I make small adjustment to everyone who is a recipient of this letter. For example, in this case, dear Chief of PPP Loan Department, and I feel like a victim of lender fraud and abuse. I'm asking you kind help me with a PPP loan forgiveness that has been fully sabotaged by Cabbage or Womply or I don't know, Wells Fargo, whoever did it. The lender of this loan was a customer bank. In your case, the lender of your loan could be some other company that you want to mention. So my lawyer, when I spoke with him, told me that the main idea of this letter, first of all, to get a confirmation that you can use in the court, and there should be official confirmation like this. It's a U.S. Postal Service mail receipt, certified mail receipt that you can use in the court. That's the first purpose of this letter. You have to receive this kind of receipts to show to the judge in the court. The second reason why you should do this letter and send it, you may ask them to approve your PPP loan forgiveness. And I will show you later, a little bit later, please watch till the end of the video, what documents you have to provide you have to include in the paper letter. Maybe they will be ready to help you immediately when they are received. So this is like the beginning of the letter, and then I send them that Cabbage offered Paycheck Protection Program loans directly as approved U.S. Small Business Administration lender. And then I'm just explaining step by step how this process worked in my case, what I did, when I did it. So on 5th of May 2020, I was approved by SBA Cabbage to receive PPP loan. My SBA loan number, there should be your number, my SBA loan name, my company name, and a loan amount. Please include this information every time to help them find your loan quickly and just save their time, and maybe they will help you a little bit faster. So in accordance with SBA guidelines, I didn't fire my employees and spent 95% of the loan for payroll expenses. I'm sure you know that you have spent at least 60% on payroll to be forgiven. After 10 weeks of covered period, I was ready to apply for PPP loan forgiveness in 2020. In my case, I was ready to apply in December 2020. That's when Cabbage said to borrowers, okay, we are ready to accept your forgiveness. Cabbage was quick to help procure loans. They have abandoned me as many other borrowers by failing to adequately service the loans. I have attempted to submit the documentation to seek loan forgiveness, however, Cabbage refused to accept the forgiveness documents. And then I'm explaining, you should explain in the same way what happened next. From December 3rd, 2020, when PPP loan forgiveness process was officially started, you sent forgiveness for the first time, what type of documents you provided when you apply, what reply you got from a Cabbage or Womply or Blue Wine or whoever. So in my case, I received a confirmation like Dmitro, congratulations, our team has reviewed our loan forgiveness and verified your forgiveness amount of blah blah blah. But unfortunately, due to the technical glitches, that what happened next on their website, or maybe there are the internal problems. After tens of calls and emails from my side, I didn't get a chance to sign DocuSign and get forgiveness. And then I'm just explaining what was the next step in March when I applied for this second time, what forms I uploaded, and again submitted all documents, Form 941, 940, Form 3508S, bank statements, and no forgiveness. And then I'm telling them that in June 2021, Cabbage again sent me a mail and open their forgiveness portal with a case servicing biz2x.com company or website. I have no idea what is it. And I submitted my PPP loan forgiveness for the third time. I said all documents. I will show you this folder. I received a confirmation of my application. I saved a docket file that is formed only when you submit an application. So you have to provide all these evidences. You have to mention all this in this cover letter. That's very important. And of course, I mentioned that SBA Direct Portal was designed to streamline forgiveness process and help businesses. But unfortunately, Blue Wine, Cabbage, Womply, some other websites, they opted out, and you cannot apply through SBA Direct Portal in case of Cabbage, case servicing, or Womply. So that's how I explained step by step what happened. And at the end of this cover letter, I'm telling them to resolve the problem. I would appreciate your help in accepting my forgiveness application number, company name, loan amount. And I'm telling them that enclosed are copies. Please don't send originals of my records, forms, and so on. That's how I made this letter. That's what I sent to every recipient. I will show you where I actually send all these letters and documents. And guys, if you need this draft, I'm ready to provide you with this draft. Just let me know in the comments that you need it. So at the end, that's very important, you have to show what you included in this letter. You have to include SBA note. That's a document that confirms that you have a loan from SBA or from your lender. A resolution to borrow, PPP loan forgiveness application. In my case, it was the first one that I uploaded on the 7th of December. PPP loan forgiveness application that was revised by SBA, and I completed again on the in March and then in June. Then I mentioned that I'm including Form 941, 940. Why I'm doing this? Just because I want to get my forgiveness as soon as possible. So I'm just attaching all these forms. There is no social security number. There is only EIN number, and it's a public information, public record, so I don't see any problem with it. And I'm also attaching all correspondence that I have with a case servicing. For example, case servicing dashboard, where I'm showing them that you cannot apply through case servicing. I'm also attaching email that my forgiveness have been verified. I'm attaching email that correspondence with case servicing happens through, let's say, December till June. And also at the end of the letter, I mention where I already sent the same letter. So that's very important. I'm sending all my letters to SBA Office of Inspector General, first of all, then to senators in my state. I live in Texas, I work in Texas, so in my case, it's senators from Texas, John Cornyn, Ted Cruz, Sarah Eckhardt. I'm also sent this package to Congressman Pete Sessions. In your case, it should be someone else. It depends where you live. I also sent a letter to Department of Financial Institutions of Utah. Why? Just because Cabbage, or the part of the company, was incorporated in Utah at the beginning. And then when American Express purchased them, I found information that they possibly incorporated in Georgia. So I also sent the same letter to Georgia Department of Financial Institutions, and specifically to Department of Banking and Finance. And at the end, I also sent a copy to Customers Bancorp, who was the actual bank who provided me, who sent me the money. Because Cabbage is just a point of sales. They don't have all this money. They just sold you in some way this PPP loan. They just got their 1,000 from everyone who applied, and now they don't care. So Customers Bancorp was a bank who actually provided money, who sent the money on my account. And after that, you have to go to post office, USPS, be ready to spend at least 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour. I just visited USPS office and sent 9 letters, certified letters. It means that as soon as recipient received my letter, I will get confirmation of this action, and when you will be in the court, you have to provide something like this. It's a certified mail receipt, and you should go to USPS office only, and that's how legal system works in US. So I hope Cabbage will not have any chance to say that I didn't send them my application form or any other proof that I use my money for payroll. So I put all information I need, all letters, all completed forms in the package. I sent it to Cabbage, I sent it to senators, I sent it to Department of Financial Institutions in Utah and Georgia, and all other people or institutions who can help me in this process against Cabbage case servicing. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I do hope that I help you in some or other way. If you need any help, or I don't know, maybe you have some questions, just leave all the questions in comments. I will be ready to help you, because the reason why I'm doing this is to help you to fight with the companies like Cabbage case servicing. I'm sure they should be sued. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.